Hi, this is Sandy Jo at rhinestonetemplates.com, and I was talking with one of my friends, Tony, yesterday, and we were talking about how when we cut with WinPC, our designs normally that are down here in the corner and are sitting in this corner, how they cut not from this corner up to this corner, they actually cut back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So it takes a lot longer and it's a lot more wear and tear on the cutter. And we talked about how to arrange or not arrange to make this easier in the cutter, like in some of the other softwares that we have. And we came up with the idea that in Great Cut, which we all get with our GCC cutters, that there is an option that we can do to change, and it's programmed one way, but we can change it into another way. And if we have, let's just pull up a file here, and let's say that we have Great Cut that is sitting down here like this. Normally the cutter's gonna drag back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and not do the dots that are right next to each other synchronized like that. They're actually going to go from here to here to here to here to here. So what we want to do is we want it to go from this dot to this dot to this dot to this dot, and kind of keep the dots together and stop the wear and tear on the cutter. So what we do is, in order to be able to do that, you go up to your design bar up on the top toolbar of Great Cut, and come all the way down to your sort and your simulation. And under your sort and simulation, you're going to have your toolbar that shows up here, and it's going to show you your different colors here, so it's going to be color separated for cutting, which is great. And then if you look down here, this is actually the directions that you start cutting, and right here as a default it comes in marked this way, so this is the way that it cuts this way, so it's taking everything and going from here to here, and you can see by the arrows which way it's pointing on how it's going to cut. And if you don't want it to cut like this, the way that it comes as default, then uncheck it and check this one, and it's going to take it and it's going to cut it the way that it comes in WinPC, and I think it's going to cut a lot easier and better and less wear and tear on your cutters. But I just found this out yesterday, and I'm just playing with it all, and I just wanted to pass this on for you guys because I know it's been kind of frustrating for a lot of us. For how is it going to cut, where is it going to cut, what's the formation of the dots that it's going to cut fastest or the best, and make the best use of our time and of the material. So try these out and see if this works. Just do a little tester and see if this works for you guys or if it doesn't, and if we've figured out how to make it just a little bit more efficient for us. But anyway, I just wanted to pass it along, and this is Sandy Jo at rhinestonetemplates.com, and if you have any questions, just send me an email and I'd be glad to help. Thanks.